Covaxin, India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by Bharat Biotech is developed in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research, National Institute of Virology. Who made Covishield vaccine? Covishield is the Indian-made version of AstraZeneca's Vaxzevria jab, which has been authorized in the EU. It has manufactured in India by Serum, the world's largest vaccine maker. Who should be vaccinated first for COVID-19 vaccine? While COVID-19 vaccine supplies are limited, health workers at high risk of exposure and old people should be prioritized for vaccination. What is in the Pfizer and Moderna COVID-19 vaccines? Both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are mRNA vaccines, which contain tiny fragments of the genetic material known as messenger ribonucleic acid. Can the coronavirus disease spread through feces? The risk of catching the COVID-19 virus from the feces of an infected person appears to be low. There is some evidence that the COVID-19 virus may lead to intestinal infection and be present in feces. Which is the official name of the coronavirus disease? The final name of the disease will be provided by the International Classification of Disease, WHO is also proposing 2019 nCoV as an interim name of the virus. The final decision on the official name of the virus will be made by the International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. Are smokers more likely to develop severe disease with COVID-19? Tobacco smoking is a known risk factor for many respiratory infections and increases the severity of respiratory disease. A review of studies by public health experts convened by WHO on 29 April 2020 found that smokers are more likely to develop severe disease with COVID-19 compared to non-smokers. Can COVID-19 be transmitted through water? Water or swimming does not transmit the COVID-19 virus. The COVID-19 virus does not transmit through water while swimming. However, the virus spreads between people when someone has close contact with an infected person. Will you test positive for COVID after vaccination? Yes, it is possible. After vaccination, a person can become positive for coronavirus.